Hello friends, Running Kimono, and I have whipped up a really good deal for some inexpensive toilet paper Kleenex and some pads and household magic. This is a Saturday only deal. There is no midweek because that 3 off 15 has escaped us. It is for school supplies only, so just be mindful of that. But if you have a little bit of time on Saturday the 20th, this might be a video pour vous. Before we dive into this, I just want to talk about Dollar General summer clearance merchandise. So they are having a clearance event this weekend, which will be the 19th, 20th, and 21st. So those 3 dates, where selected summer merchandise will be 50% off of already the ticketed price. So you might be able to score some stuff really cheap if this is your sort of thing, like summer decor. I believe gardening is part of it. You know the stuff we're talking about in the store. So if this is your thing, or you just need bowls or something really inexpensive, you might want to go to your Dollar General and see what they have. This might be worth your time or not. A quick example is this little slushie, which is food. I hope this is part of it, but this is on clearance right now. It's usually $1. It's 50 cents. And when Friday, the 19th, rolls around, it should be 25 cents. So if you're looking to stock up on various summer food items, obviously double, triple check expiry dates, but this might be a sale for you. And just to go over this one more time, what the sale is. It's the end of summer sales event, and it's from the 19th to the 21st, so that window of 3 days. So it's 50% off of seasonal merch, whatever the ticket is as of Friday. Specifically, look for pink square, the green dot, home, along with the red dot home. And you know what I'm talking about. They just have like little decor items for summer, and you see it in those 2 aisles that they have designated. But sometimes, this stuff floats around into the regular section or throughout the store. Maybe you'll get lucky and find something really super uber cheap. What is not included is my favorite, which is POG, planogram, and the clearance section. Not part of this. So if summer fun in the sun stuff is your thing, probably score quite a few items, even if you do the Saturday 5 off 25 and get a $25 basket of clearance merch. You never know what you can find. So this should be an interesting one. Now, I did make a video last week about my prediction for the POG clearance event, like clearance section, clearance stuff that I'm looking for, detergents and that magic. My prediction is Columbus Day, which is in October, and I think it might be following that track because there is not one in August as I thought. And before we hop into the deals, guys, with inflation being on a roller coaster every week, definitely double, triple check the price of the items that we're describing in the store on Saturday if they've climbed 50 cents or so. You make that executive decision if that's a smart thing for you to purchase. Use the Dollar General app and scan the barcodes. I'll link a video at the end how to use the Dollar General app. Double, triple check the costs, because I've noticed little items, even in the pictures of this video, a lot of little items like an extra 20 cents, so they're not fooling anyone. And make sure to load all of your digital coupons and have a little bit of fun on Saturday the 20th. So the first basket, again, we're going on Saturday, August the 20th only. And this is what we're grabbing. 2 of the Scott's paper towels priced at $4.75 a pop. 1 of the Febreze car clips found in the automotive section. 2 bags of the U by Kotex, and 1 box of the Kleenex. It's a triple pack of the tissues or Kleenexes. We will need our best friend loaded, which is the 5 off of 25, valid on that Saturday the 20th only. That's why I'm saying go on Saturday, because that's when this guy is live and you're able to use him. So we're going to grab 2 bags of these pads, and then we're going to load that 4 off of 2. Now it says $3.45, but it's actually ringing up $3.65 in the app and at the till. So pay attention to that. And then we're going to grab 2 bags of the toilet paper. Now this week it's on a promotion for $4.75. Plus we have a $1 digital coupon. So that is not too shabby. And then to show you, I want to see the tag. Here it is, $4.75, that $1 digital, dropping it down to $3.75. But we only have $1 digital coupon. If you go over to the coupons.com app, there's another $1. So you can get that after you pay with the coupons.com app. Then we're going to go to automotive, and $3.25 for this little car clip. And then we have a $2.30 digital coupon. There are ones that are so much more expensive. $3.25 is the cheapest I could find. And then look for this guy in the paper section. for $5.50. My store was cleared out, and we have a dollar digital coupon. Hopefully you'll have better luck than I, or the truck will show up, or a very nice employee will find you $1 million in the back, but I could not find one. So here is the mathematics for this little dealio, guys. Grabbing, again, we're doing this on Saturday the 20th only. 2 bags of the Scott's paper towel for $9.50. 2 U by Kotex, the pads for $7.30, 1 Kleenex for $5.50, and then 1 Febreze Clark car clip for $3.25 for a subtotal of $25.55. As the cashier is scanning all of your wonderful merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The final pay button is hit. The 5 off 25 will come off, along with $8.30 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $12.25 out of pocket plus tax, then making that dollar submission to the coupons.com app for the 1 Scott toilet paper. It drops this down to $11.25 for the 6 items, or $1.87 per product. Let's not forget to take a quick snapshot to the Fetch Rewards app as well. Kleenex and Scott is part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back extra points for this. And to answer one super quick question that a couple of you might have of, well, if you buy $20 of toilet paper, don't you save $3 instantly? That promotion, they stripped it a couple months back. It pops up once in a while, but it's not here this week. So hopefully that answers a couple of questions. And the final deal that we have is again on Saturday the 20th. We're going to need our best friend loaded, which is the 5 off of 25. So imperative that you go Saturday the 20th only, because that's the only day this coupon works. Now, I have a lot of these $1.50 Arm & Hammer coupons. Like, I have a ton. I don't know why. This bottle is $4.25. We have two $1.50 coupons. So, hey, let's throw that into a basket. Along with, I have a fabric softener problem. $7.50. We have this new $2 digital coupon, so load that, dropping it down to $5.50 and a big part of our $25 basket. I absolutely love the Gain fabric softener. I think I'm going to run off and marry this bottle, but I just have some problems with that. We're going to grab our best friend, which is $4.75 for one of these Scott's toilet papers, and we have a $1 digital coupon. Then we're grabbing this guy for $5.35. Yes, that's jumped in price. Plus we have this $2 digital for the Chic Classic Razor, either the men or the women. You pick which one you want. Looking at the mathematics for this basket, again, Saturday, August the 20th only. 2 Arm & Hammer detergents for $8.50. 1 Gain fabric softener to the Big Mama for $7.50. 1 Scott toilet paper for $4.75. And 1 Chic Classic for $5.35. The total here is $26.10. As the cashier is scanning all of your beautiful merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The final pay button is hit. 5 off 25 is coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $13.10 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.62 per product. Considering that you're getting toilet paper, that massive bottle of fabric softener, I think it's not the worst deal, and those Arm & Hammers as well. If you just want a meat and potatoes like cleaning basket, I think this is a smart way to go. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.